Year 11 and 12 students, and welcome to week 2 of Learning at Home. A few messages from me this week. Number 1, I need you to make sure that you are absolutely engaging with every subject of your timetable. It is very, very important that you are communicating with your teachers in an appropriate way. So what does that mean? That means when you have your scheduled lesson, you are ensuring that you are working on that work that would be part of that timetable. You are engaging with your teachers during your timetabled lesson. Engaging with your teachers does not mean conversing multiple times throughout the lesson. Once or twice, maybe via email, would be absolutely fine. But you need to be sure that you're selecting your words carefully and only sending information to your teachers when necessary, i.e. when you have a question or have already looked at all of the resources provided to you. Your teachers have a lot of students in their classes that they're trying to work with during that time. So please make sure that you are respectful in your language and really utilising your time effectively. Secondly, I want you to make sure that you are ensuring that you are responding to your role class teachers' emails in the morning and letting them know that you are working from home by 9:20 every morning. That will ensure that you are marked here as present for that day. That's very, very important for your attendance data. Finally, Ms. Johnson has sent out your assessment schedule, the revised assessment schedule for this term and in fact for the whole year. So on this document that she has emailed you, you will see when assessment is due. We have revised it, so please make sure that you have looked at this document and you know exactly when your upcoming assessment is. Have a great week.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to week 2. I did promise another video and another weekly update, so thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to start off on a positive note. I'd like to congratulate you all based on your achievements last term, particularly in regards to attendance. So our attendance rate, excluding March, was sitting at well over 95%. And as we all know, attendance is very important to try and achieve the best that we can. So let's try to replicate that this term whenever I see you next, and also ensure that you are still working from home. I'm also going to be talking about today a booklet which explains the infographic that I sent out last week. So last week I sent you an infographic regarding how to learn from home, and it was quite brief. It got very much to the point. So this document that is being sent out in conjunction with this video actually explains in a bit more detail what the expectations are in regards to learning from home. So it outlines the processes for learning at home, but it also outlines the additional support that we can provide you as a school. So it's not just important to maintain our academic rigour, but it's also important to try and balance that out with your mental health and your well-being. So there are links, particularly at the end of the document, to additional documents that can be used to give you guidance about what activities can be done to help you manage your mental health at the same time. In regards to this, Ms. Kinswell is passing on this message in regards to Stronger Together classes. So we've decided these Stronger Together classes to try and support you in that wellbeing capacity at home. So she's sent a OneNote link to your teachers, and your teachers will be sending you a link very, very shortly, if they haven't done so already, to the Stronger Together OneNote. Further to this, last week you were asked to do an activity, and she has chosen a winner based on that activity, and she will be announcing that winner tomorrow. Not sure what that prize is, but hopefully it's something pretty good and decent. So I suppose the general gist of the message is that we want you to stay positive. We'd like to thank you for engaging in your schoolwork, and hopefully we will see you shortly. Thank you.